Welcome back to Motor Vision, where we dive into the heart of every car that ever made an impact, past or present. If you love cars with character, stories, and timeless design, you're in the right place. Don't forget to subscribe and join us for more automotive deep dives. Today, we're taking a look at the 2005 Volkswagen Beetle, a car that carried decades of legacy while adding a modern twist for the early 2000s. The Beetle needs no grand introduction. Originally launched in the late 1930s, it became one of the most iconic vehicles of the 20th century. But the 2005 model wasn't just about nostalgia. It was about blending classic charm with updated technology and comfort. From the outside, the 2005 Beetle keeps the rounded silhouette that made it instantly recognizable. The bulging fenders, circular headlamps, and friendly face make it look more like a cartoon character than a car, and that's part of the appeal. It's a design that doesn't try to be aggressive or overstyled. It simply is what it is, playful, approachable, and full of personality. Under the hood, this Beetle came with a few engine options, but the most common was the 2.0-liter inline-4, producing around 115 horsepower. Now, that might not sound like much on paper, but remember, this car was built for fun, not speed. For those who wanted a bit more punch, the turbocharged 1.8-liter version was available, offering a more spirited drive. Inside, the cabin is surprisingly roomy for such a compact car. Volkswagen gave it a clean, simple layout with body-colored panels, a flower vase on the dashboard, and curvy lines that echoed the car's exterior. It's not just quirky, it's charming. The seats are comfortable, the materials feel solid, and it came with available features like a power sunroof, heated seats, and premium audio. On the road, the 2005 Beetle delivers a smooth and easy ride. It's not a performance machine, but it handles city driving and daily commuting like a pro. It's small enough to park anywhere, and the visibility is excellent thanks to its bubble-like shape. Where the Beetle truly shines is in personality. It's a car that makes people smile, a car that feels alive. It's not trying to be the fastest or the most practical, it's just trying to be itself. And that's something rare in the automotive world. If you're looking for a used car that's reliable, fun, and stands out from the crowd, the 2005 Volkswagen Beetle is still a great option today. That's it for this episode of Motor Vision. Hit the like button if you enjoyed this look back, and drop a comment if you've ever owned or driven a Beetle. We'll see you in the next one. Drive safe and stay curious.